Hello, good morning to everyone. Let us discuss today how to quit smoking. Every smoker is health conscious. He drink a good water, eat proper food, and even some do the exercises. And there are a lot of people who are in top post, right from president to layman across the globe, either smoke cigarette or consume tobacco in different form. Some smoke the cigarette, some chew the tobacco, some chew the gutka, some smoke electronic cigarette, then hookah is there. There are different products from tobacco. These are all good people who thinks rationally in their life, except one thing, that is smoking, that is tobacco, where in their mind never a thought comes that tobacco kills or tobacco is something which is working against them and which one should not consume. Any normal person will not consume tobacco or smoke cigarette, or even today's smoker or those who chew the tobacco, they will not dream that their son or daughter will smoke a cigarette or chew tobacco. When this is a fact, then question arises, why smoker don't think about cigarette or tobacco that they harm them. Not only that, they can kill them, and they are killing actually, and there are happening in crores of immature, immature death with different kind of diseases. This is a fact. Then the question arises, why smoker don't think like that? So my friends, now you know, if you are watching my videos, tobacco contains a drug nicotine. It is a mild drug, which is a drug, and then in any drug condition, no human beings can think against the drug. On the contrary, the people who consume the tobacco or any drug or consume cigarette or smoke cigarette, they always talk in favor of cigarette. They will say, I love cigarette, cigarette helps me, cigarette is my friend, I enjoy the smoking after my lunch and dinner. You will find all this. Because of this, it is a very rare chance to get self motivation. Even I am an ex-smoker. In my life, I quit smoking two times. One in 1979 when I was student of College of Engineering. At that time, I quit smoking for 6 months, and then again I relapsed. After that, I didn't quit smoking for more than 15 years. When I got motivated because of my daughter, and then in 1994, on 3rd August 1994, I quit smoking permanently. So what I did actually, that story you can read in my coming book, but what is my experience in short and how I help the people to quit smoking or quit tobacco, that I want to share here. Now it is a fact that nicotine is the main cause of addiction of smoking. Then how to go about it? The first thing is that you have to be motivated either by your family or your friends or any serious thing has happened with you, and then you get motivated. So what is mean by motivation? The meaning of motivation is that you then enter the thought that smoking is not doing something good for you, On the contrary, smoking is a problem and you have to quit it. And when you think rationally about smoking and when you take decision to quit it and you are firm about that, that means you are committed to quit it, that means that is the first step you have taken towards to quit smoking. And that is good. I congratulate you about that. Now the next thing is, where is the enemy who orders you to smoke? And my friends, it is very clear that our own mind asks us to smoke. Our own mind is working in total favor of nicotine. It is under the control of nicotine, it is under control of cigarette, and it creates number of illusions that smoking helps, etc., etc. Then the simple thing is that you should know how is relation between nicotine and your own mind. And you have to learn that your mind is an organ. Everyone knows that we express ourselves through our mind. Every action, every thought, even our personality is coming from our mind. And now it is the question in front of you to wean again your mind and to remove the clutches of cigarette about your mind and let us free your mind. So one thing you have to understand that mind is an organ like your other organs. Mind is an organ, and you have to learn how to use your mind. And that is not difficult and impossible. If you can learn it, how to use our mind, then it becomes very, very easy to quit smoking. To quit smoking is not difficult and impossible. If you follow my way, then it is very easy. Once you learn how mind works and once you get the knowledge what is the relation between nicotine and your mind and how to break it, how to throw it, then that is the next step. For this, I got an technique when I was doing yoga. Accidentally, after the yoga, I was doing one relaxing technique, and in during that, I got accidentally a very new, fantastic knowledge about how to go to thoughtless zone of the mind. It is all illusion that in drugs there is high or buzz or kick and etc. etc. It is totally bakwas. It has no meaning. In fact, there is nothing like it is all propaganda and there is no high such thing. But there is an abundant joy within mind. You should know how to tap it. And I got the technique where you can take your mind to thoughtless zone whenever you want. And that technique is very helpful. I will talk about all these chapter by chapter in my coming videos. What is mind, how to use mind, and my technique. The name of technique is brain rest technique. There will be different videos on these issues, and then I use herbal product. Why I use the herbal product? Because in Ayurveda there are hundreds of herbs which are very useful to your body. As nicotine is attacking on our immunity and removing our vitamin C, so to make your body fresh and remove the physical part of urge from your body, herbal products help. It is not medicine, it is an help. And even I will talk about the herbal products or everything you can read from my book. It will be better if you read my book and you prepare yourself. This you can do at your home. You need not to come to me, and even if you want my program in your area, if you collect more than 400 to 500 people, then we can have a mass de-addiction program which will be free for everyone. But if you can't do that, you can do your own de-addiction at your home, because nicotine is a drug. And for that, you can watch my videos and prepare yourself. Thank you.